Network for Animals works all around the world, rescuing animals of all shapes and sizes and all kinds. We're particularly proud to be working with Farm Animal Rescue Sanctuary in Warwickshire, England, because what they do is the essence of kindness and compassion. They take lambs that were deformed or injured and that are no commercial use to farmers, and they look after them for the rest of their lives. These animals usually will stay here until they die, sometimes for as long as 20 years. Ideally, we'd like to help Carol and her team find a permanent sanctuary. The one they have now is leased and expensive. Please donate generously to Network for Animals today.